In this video, I'm going to show you a quick little method for getting your audio sound bites to use in your remix. Here's a little sample of what we're going to be making.
Why you feel so bad? Why you feel so bad? Why you feel so bad? Why you feel so bad?
You'll see the first thing I'm doing is turning on audio skimming so you can hear the clips as you skim through them in the browser. You're going to skim and try to hear the visual, the auditory things that you want to capture. Once you narrow it down to your selection, you can go ahead and favorite it. And in this video, you'll see me go through and find about 3 different favorites before I bring a clip into the timeline and extract the audio. So we're going to detach the audio from the visuals and use it separately.
Bill was hungry. Beginning to be sick. Well, Bill, now you know what might have caused your stomach ache. Well, Bill. Well, Bill, now you know what might have caused your stomach ache. Why you feel so bad. Well, absolutely, yeah. Why you feel so bad.
So with my last selection, I'm going to be bringing it into my timeline. So I just favorited it. Now I'm going to drag it down to the timeline. It starts a new project. You probably will have a project already going by this time. I right click on that clip and I want to select detach audio. And you'll see that the audio clip is a separate clip below, and I can't delete the visual part unless I move the audio to another clip. So I'm going to drag it away from the original clip and delete that clip. And so now I have a new visual with a different audio, and I'm going to turn the audio down on the original clip, and you can see that it has audio attached to it. I'm going to turn off the audio for that clip, and I'm going to use just the one that I added. So I copied and pasted that clip over so that you can see a repetition, which is a huge part of this project, and then I'm going to also repeat the audio as well. I'm going to be playing with the speed of the clips as well as making some of them roll backwards or forwards so that they make a loop. And then you can make changes to things altogether. So if you want to draw a box around something, you can make a change to the speed. And in this case, I was trying to see what would happen if I sped up the sound bite, so it's a little faster. And I kind of played around with that a little bit until I was happy with it. It didn't 200% speed was too fast and 100% was too slow, so I kind of played around in the middle. And then the visual clips I also played around with as well. Here's a screenshot of my timeline where I created that little segment that you're going to see, that you saw at the beginning and you'll see at the end. And you'll see that I have a bunch of repetitions, and then I also have the breakbeat below, and you can see the audio samples that are also there.
Why you feel so bad? Why you feel so bad? Why you feel so bad? Why you feel so bad?